subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel.
Baby, I want you to know.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Darshan iOS here and I'm back with another video. And today in this video I'm gonna talk about some Cydia errors that 32-bit users might be facing as per the new jailbreak released by ThemeStar called Helix jailbreak for 32-bit devices for iOS 10.x. So, and recently he updated the Helix jailbreak to support 10.0.2. So there are many videos on YouTube to how to jailbreak. You can just go ahead and jailbreak, it's easy. But after using the jailbreak for 2 to 3 days, after installing so many tweaks, there are some errors that users are facing. I faced an error called as cydo return an error code 1. So basically this is the error. I will show you just a pic of the error. So this is the error which I faced. This user library cydo return error code 1. So how to fix this error? So for an older version of iOS like 10.2 till 10.2, you have another fix for this, and the fix is in Cydia itself. You just need to go to Cydia. If you are using 10.2, just install the stashing in from the cool stars repo and the error will be fixed. But for the newer versions of 10 after 10.2 till 10.3.3, there is another fix that I have used. So to fix the error, just go to the link in the description like this and just open it in iFile or Filza, whichever you have. Just open there, and just click on install. Just click on the file and just click on install. So after that it's done, just respring it your device and your error would be solved and you will be able to install all the tweaks. So I will just show you once that I have installed the tweaks. And one important thing that you just have to wait till this red bar goes away or the message comes up reloading data. Yes, like this. After the reloading data message has gone, then only you search any tweak and install it. Otherwise it may cause another errors, so you have to be patient. So there you go, the Cydia is working fine and you are just ready to go and install any packages, tweaks or whatever you want. So hope this fixed your errors. I will post a new video very soon, so stay tuned for that and hit that like button if you are new to this channel. So subscribe and peace.